Gqeberha it was first of all driving there from Zwide, coming from 15 minutes away in the car with my mom and my friends that were given the scholarship. I don't know, dreaming of being a taxi driver because there was the cool people, all the drug dealers in the township, there was the cool people, to just driving into the school, just seeing the building, just changed my whole mindset, and I believed I could be whatever I want to be, just looking at the infrastructure, and it was quite daunting at the beginning, not being able to speak the language, and it was quite embarrassing at the same time. And it took a lot out of me because I had to adapt to a whole new culture, and I had to learn a whole new language. And I knew, like for me, it's fit in or I lose the opportunity, I won't make it at all. But luckily I love people, so it was easy for me to adapt. And I started speaking my broken English at break time, and I had a friend of mine called Nicholas, and he started helping me with my homework, and he started teaching me a little bit of English, and then I started teaching him a bit of Xhosa. We got really close, and that was really nice. There was a lot of the boys, Ross McComb, Brendan Blanche, who made an effort, for us, took us to their houses on weekends. But Nick was the only one who actually came to Zwide with me, and he came to play for my club, but obviously, everyone didn't pitch up on time, and then we walked with them in the street, and they bought fruit from the stand. Our relationship started then, and he was my best man at my wedding, and I named my son after him. And being at Grey, it was that's when a lot of my dreams were born, and where I started believing that all of this is possible, and it's something that I really wish for every kid anywhere in South Africa. They should be feeling like that each and every single day, not only to be moving to a certain suburb or a certain area. I think that we are robbing the kids of opportunities to dream big and dream as wild as they can. And I really believe each community should have access to facilities like that every day.